Hey everybody, what's up? In this video I will tell you how to create a form inside your web page. So let's begin. Now before starting, if you are new to our channel, so please like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon for updated videos. Now before writing the syntax of form, I will tell you the basic usage of form inside our HTML life. A form are used to collect different kind of user input. A form is an area that can contain form elements. Now for writing a form, we will use a tag name as form, and inside the action I will write index.html. You had to write as same as I am writing. Now I will use another tag name as label. I will write label and I will clear the for, and inside the label I will write user name and I will save it. Now for giving an input I will write input and I will write inside the double quotes will be text and I will save it. Now our first form line has been formed. Now the next we will create a password form. I will write input, or first of all I will write label and I will clear the for and I will just give an enter and I will write BR for line break. Now inside the label I will write passwords and I will give input, and inside the text I will first of all clear the text and inside type I will write password and I will save it. Now I can write whatever I want. Now the words are in dot. Now the next form we will create will be email form. We will write label and clear the for, and inside the label I will write email and I will give an input and saved. Before saving I will give BR for line break and I will save it. Now the next thing that I will teach you how to create a date inside your form. So before creating a date I will give a label and inside the label I will write date and I will save it. Now I will give BR for line break and save. Now I will give input and I will change the text to date and I will save it. Now a date has been appeared in our form. Now I can change the month, date and the year, and I can change even the calendar also. Now the next thing that I will teach you will be how to submit our form, or we can say that how to enter a submit button. So for entering a submit button we will use input and I will create the text and I will write submit and I will save it. Now a submit button has appeared. Now I will click it and it will not open because we are just making the structure of form. We are not making the back end of the form. Now the next thing that I will teach you will be an image has been formed on your screen. There are three options of male, female and custom. We had to select only one option. So we will create this. For creating this I will write label and clear the for, and inside the label I will write male and I will give an input and inside the text I will write radio and saved it and I will give PR for line break Now I will just copy this and paste it 2 times and saved it. Now I will change this male to female and this male to custom and saved. Now when I will click to male, a blue dot has appeared. Now if I want to click to female, another blue dot has appeared. I want only a single dot inside our 3 options. So I will give a name inside our input. I will write name, and inside the double quotes I will write 1. For linking each input, I will write name again. Oh, sorry. Name equals to double quotes, and I will write 1 again, and last time again. Name 1 again. Now I will save it. Now when I will click it to male, and now if I want to click to female, a single dot has appeared. Now the next thing that I will teach you how to add a subscribe button. For adding a subscribe button, we will use in label and clear the 4, and inside the label I will write subscribe and saved, and I will write BR for line break. Now I will give an input and I will just change the text to checkbox. This is another term, check box. Now I will save it. Now when I will click to subscribe, a tick will appear. Now this is. Now the next thing that I will teach you will be how to add payments in your form. I will write label, or before writing label I will write BR, and I will write label and close this, clear the 4, and inside the label I will write payments. And I will save it. Now I will give select. We will use select instead of input. Now inside select we will write option, and I will give a value name as, for example, visa, and inside the option I will write visa also. Now I will just copy this and I will paste it 3 times and again. Now I will change the second visa to PayPal and this visa to PayPal all, and the third visa to MasterCard. I will write MasterCard and this visa to MasterCard. MasterCard. Now I will save this. Now we had done a mistake. Maybe I had tried label select. This spelling should be E and ELT. Now I will save it. That's good. Oh my god, I was scared. Now this is working. Now I will select the payment to be MasterCard. Now the last or the second last thing that I will teach you will be how to add or write comments your form. For writing a comment we will use label and clear the 4. We are doing another mistake. I go instead of select. Now inside the label I will write comments. and I will give text area instead of input. Now I will change the name, or I will just clear the name and ID. Now I will save it. Now I will give a BR for line break and saved. Now I can change the rows and columns by manual method. I will just write for example 32 and change the rows up to 13. I can change this also by doing automatically. Now the last thing that I will tell you will be how to reset your all stuff. For writing a reset button, we will use an input, and inside the text I will write set, and I will save it, and I will give BR for line break. That's that's all for now. In this lecture we had discussed how to create a form inside your web page. That's all for now. Take care and goodbye.